Hello friends and welcome back to the Gigabit channel. So friends, today I will talk about TP-Link Archer GE550 Wi-Fi 7 gaming router. So friend, TP-Link has announced a newly added gaming router with latest Wi-Fi 7 standard offering tri-band connectivity across 6 GHz, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz frequency band. So friend, this router is maximum data speed reach up to 9220 Mbps when combined all three bands up to 5764 Mbps on 6 GHz, 2882 Mbps on 5 GHz, and 574 Mbps on 2.4 GHz. And this device is scheduled for releasing on February 13th. So, friend, the notable feature of the router it is cam boost function, which aim to reduce jitter lag and ping spike by allocating higher priority to of data traffic related to gaming platform and server. And this router also provide a selection of port including 5 gigabit WAN port and 1 gigabit LAN port and 2.5 gigabit LAN port. Additionally, it comes with USB 3.0 port, which can be configured as a FTP server, media server, Samba server for convenient local and remote file sharing. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.